Hi Sarah. I was thinking it's probably a good idea if I make 3 videos, so sort of bite-sized chunks. The first video, which will be this one, of course, will just show you around the back end really and the Enfold theme options. The second video will be about creating a new page, and the third video will be about altering and changing existing content. I think that's probably a good start. So anyway, once you've logged in, which I assume you have done before, using the details I sent you, you'll come to this page, which is called the dashboard page. You can follow my arrow, hopefully you can see it there. Yes, so this is the page, this is the page you come to when you log into the dashboard page. All the really crucial stuff is over here on the left-hand side in this black area. And probably for you, I would say this here, the Enfold Imagine link, is what you are really interested in. This takes you over to the Enfold theme options. And a lot of this really is self-explanatory, but this is where you can make a lot of changes to the site-wide without having to go into individual pages. So, you know, a lot of it is self-explanatory. If you want to delete the logo, click the X, click the upload button, and then you're up here, this will be blue, click Save Changes, and you have your new logo installed. Not that you'll probably want to change it. But if you click through these tabs, they really do sort of explain a lot, and you can have a little play around. General styling, this is very important actually, if I scroll down a little here, because you have these tabs here for different areas of the site. So as I say, you can control formatting site-wide here. So the logo area, which is at the top of the screen, main content area, you can see the background I've coloured there, the cream, font colours, button colours, alternate content, footer and socket are the sections at the bottom of every page. We don't want that one. And if you want to, and you get fed up with the fonts, you can even change the fonts, and there are a lot to choose from here. Google fonts and heading fonts. So that's the general styling section. So this will be important to you moving ahead. Advanced styling is various more advanced features where you can control the size and colouring of headings. And once again, I think I say this to a lot of clients, it's a really good idea, as I'll tell you in one of the next videos, when you create a new page, to actually do this, create the new page and have a real play around with it, make mistakes. That's the best way to learn. Make things look ridiculous maybe, have a good play around, sort of get your hands dirty sort of thing. Main menu, that's very basic, that one. Header changes, once again, I could spend hours probably talking about a lot of this, but you know, in a way, a lot of it's self-explanatory too. Sidebar settings, that's not appropriate for you. Footer, not much probably relevant for you there. You don't want the layout builder. Blog layout, I don't think you've got a blog on the site, have you? No. Okay. Social profiles, if they ever change, you can go and change them there. I think these other things at the bottom here you don't really need to worry about too much. So the dashboard is very important. It's the sort of engine of the website really. There's on the media button there, you'll see obviously all the images you have on the website. You can actually edit the images within the website actually. So there's a little tip. Instead of using a program or application such as Photoshop, you can open these images up and change the size of them. Click on the image, click edit image. You see up here, scale image, dimensions, spin it around, change, create it as a thumbnail. So that's quite handy actually within WordPress to be able to do that, so you don't have to go off and use another application. So over here we have a list of the pages, all the pages. Install plugins. I don't think you need to sort of delve into that very much either. Settings, once again, I could probably spend a few hours talking about that. Anyway, so what I do is in the browser window here, at the top here, you'll see I have 3 tabs open. And this is how, when I design a website, this is probably the easiest thing to do instead of just having 1 tab. For the same website, have the first tab as showing the dashboard or the enfold theme options, which I can come back to constantly and change things. The second tab have all the pages showing. And the third tab actually have the live site showing as it is. So for instance, on the About Us page, if I click on that and I want to make some changes there on the second tab, I can go into here, make the changes, click update, and it's live straight away. And then I always go back to the pages then and just edit them from there. And then I want to make a change on how it works. You click on that, up pops the content, main content area in the middle here. I'll cover that in one of the next videos. So yeah, just keep the pages on the second tab, formatting on the first tab, second tab, page editing, and the third tab would be, the particular page you might be working on. So how it works there, I'd have how it works here showing on the second tab. And then whenever I've made a change, you click update over here, and then you'll see the update. You can just quickly have a look and see how it looks live on the site here. You might need to click refresh, or you can click preview changes, which creates the actual tab of the page you're editing. So I think that's probably, I'm trying to keep it compact, this information, because it's easy for me, isn't it? I use this all the time, and I know inside out and back to front. I don't make too many of these videos, so I may not be the best person in the world to convey information, but hopefully I've made it quite clear. But yeah, so this one's about the basics, the dashboard, etc., formatting, options, or the tabs at the top. The next video here on YouTube is going to be about creating a new page and having that play around, like I said, with adding images and playing around with headings and stuff. So there you go. Okay, thanks.